Java Tutorial for Beginners will give you a brief insight into Java and its various fundamental concepts along with their practical implementation. Through this tutorial, you will learn the following topics. 1. Introduction to Java. 2. JVM versus JRE versus JDK. 3. Java Fundamentals. 4. Objects and classes. 5. Methods and access modifiers. 6. Flow of control. 7. Java arrays. Why learn Java? Java Tutorial is a general-purpose, class-based, object-oriented computer programming language that was designed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1995. Key highlights of Java: platform independent. This allows programmers to develop applications that can run on any operating system. Usability of Java. Java is the most widely used programming language. It is present everywhere. It really doesn't matter which domain you are working in, you will surely come across Java sooner or later. What will I learn? 1. Develop the code with various Java data types, conditions, and loops. 2. Implement arrays, functions, and string handling techniques. 3. Understand object-oriented programming through Java using classes, objects, and various Java concepts like abstract, final, etc. 4. Implement multi-threading and exception handling. 5. Use parse XML files using DOM and SAX in Java. 6. Write a code in JDBC to communicate with the database. 7. Develop web applications and JSP pages. 8. Interact with the database using Hibernate framework. 9. Write code with Spring Framework components like dependency injection and auto-wiring. 10. Implement SOA using web services. And the requirements for this course are: 1. This course is designed for professionals aspiring to become Java developers. Programmers, web developers, web designers, programming hobbyists, database administrators, youngsters who want to kick-start their career are the key beneficiaries of this course.